Okay, so as you can tell, this is the process of it. I finished most of it except for that piece right there. And everything got sanded down, but I think I still need these pieces and and the middle part. I still need all of that. That'll be like a day or two, three, and then I sand it, and then I sand it again, and then I paint it. But this side is almost done. And again, this is the process of. And then there's this side. And as you can tell, I'm advanced at least. So a bit. I guess you could say I'm about halfway done almost. I just need another halfway. Let's see how it goes. Dum dum dum.